since the dawn of time. For the man who feels like mine. If you can't hear me through the midnight, let it follow the echo in my chest. I'd rather dream and live a happy life than wear a bruise like a wedding night. I want a love that stands in battle, not a hand that turns to rattles. Give me the wolf with steady purpose. Let's try the heartbeat worth it, not some being broken, battered wife. I want a wild and living You're the one who's out there waiting across the land beyond my aching. I've been tracing every shadow, every road that the old moon's making. Maybe he can hear me calling as the stars in this night are falling. I won't settle for a chain of sorrow.